Magandang umaga po. Babike check po natin na yun, ang Scott USA.
Hear the sound of the bells when the Lord gone, and the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them that they go a little bit.
Na yun, magsisimula po tayo sa cockpit natin. We have race pace, Evolve XC bars, rice. We have the project stem, short stem. You have the bump grips. Sulit to, men. I recommend the bump grips sa inyong lahat. We have 10-speed Z right shifter. We have MT200 brake levers. Shimano left shifter for 3x. Then we have stock fork repainted to rock shocks. Front tire is Maxxis Crossmark 26x2.10, USD tubeless and loss protection. The rim is Saturn Atlas 32 holes. Front hub is Weapon Savage 32 holes din. Front caliper, Bengal 203mm. And front brake, of course, MT200 calipers. For the seat, we have specialized 143 saddle. For the seat post, we have T-Mars dropper post. We have MT210 Halotech crankset by Shimano. Alivio front derailleur. Exus Star pedals. Now, for the drivetrain, you have 11 to 42 teeth Sunrays golden cogs. For the rear derailleur, we have Shimano M6000 Deore. For the rear brakes, we have Shimano MP200 rear caliper. And for the rotors, we have RT60 Shimano. Savage, Weapon Savage for the hubs. 6 poles and 32 holes. Same with the rim and tire. The frame is Scott USA 2000 model, 26er and is size small. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Cut. Alright guys, so thank you po sa panonood ng aming bike checks at mamaya po, ipabike check po natin ang bike ni JM. Yan. Hintayin nyo po yan. Ilalabas ko po yan bukas or mamayang gabi. Okay, so stay tuned bros. Let's go!